Hello guys, I'm Kyle. Today I'm going to introduce another function of a Deye hybrid inverter, single phase hybrid inverter. This one is a single phase SG04, 6 kilowatt. This one is a single phase 8 kilowatt hybrid inverter. I use this one as the load of this one. Okay, let's have a look. Now, this grid is powering the load. This is the load port of this unit. And this one I connected to this unit grid. So you can see it is charging this battery. Okay, let's see the firmware version first. 4388, this is the latest version. LCD version C37E. Now the battery is is powering the load. Zero export to CT. Time of use. Here is a max cell power 6000. This parameter is used to limit the power from battery or from the PV feeding into the grid. Here you can see X power limit 6000 watt. Actually this one is the same register for the max selling power. Okay, let's have a try. If I change it to 5940 and save it. Now let's go this place. You can see also it changes to 5940, so it's same. And this one we can see AC output power limit. This AC output limit, it means the limit, the output power. This output power can be exported to grid power, can be powering the load power. For example, if you set 6 kilowatt, which means the export power plus the load port power should be known as this one. And this one is the import power limit. This one is a little bit different with the grid peak 7. Grid peak 7 is used to limit the load power, limit the maximum grid power when providing to the load. If the load power is higher than grid peak 7 value, then the battery will discharge automatically. But this one, it won't discharge the battery automatically. For example, we can see we set 1390. Now I'm going to increase the load power, dehumidify. Let's have a test. Now we can see the load power is 3.9 kilowatt, and the grid power also increased 4 kilowatt, and it doesn't discharge the battery automatically. So this is the meaning for this one. And now I turn it off. The load power decreased, then the grid power also decreased. So this is the meaning. Okay, let's have a try for this one. AC output limit 6 kilowatt. Okay, so I will let the battery discharge. We need to enable the time of use. Let's see the battery, 94%. No, it's 94. 94 is higher than 80%. then it will discharge. Now we can see the battery is discharged. Okay, we need to change this one. Let's use the setting first. Yeah, we're up to 5 kilowatt, 5,000 watt. No, fan, the fan is turning on, is working. Okay, I will limit. This one. Let's see, change it to 4 kilowatt. Then it will reduce the selling power to the grid. Okay, let's change it to about 3.1 kilowatt. Now we can see the grid power decrease. This is the load power. It only used to, because the load power is always 3 kilowatt. Then the output power is limited at here. Okay, let's have a try. If continue decrease this value, let's see what happens. .7 kilowatt. So in this situation, the battery will still continue powering the load. Okay, let me increase the load power. In this situation, the battery won't increase output power, but it will take power from the grid. Okay, so this is the meaning of these 3 parameters. Because the battery discharge current is up to 5 kilowatt. Okay, this is all. Thank you.